What's going on, my friend? Gary here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're doing your research on E1U Life. Maybe you're looking for an E1U Life review and you want to know, is this program legit? Is it worth your time and effort? And if you actually do see an opportunity for yourself, what is the best way to leverage this affiliate program to start to make commissions? Well, you're in the right place because I've actually been online full time for around 6 years now with affiliate marketing. I've tried dozens and dozens of affiliate programs. Many of them promise the world, but they never actually deliver. Now, I'm going to be completely transparent. I actually promote and use E1U Life as my #1 affiliate program at the time of recording this video. And I'm going to share with you my main reasons why I actually partnered with E1U Life. Now, at any time in this video, if you see an opportunity for yourself or you want to create an account and get started, there's going to be a link directly below this video. And actually, if you partner through me at the Vertex Live level, which I'll share more information on a little bit later, you'll actually be able to receive over $4,000 worth of bonuses totally free when you partner with me, okay? Bonuses that are going to help you succeed. So you can see right here, I've actually already generated over $50,000 inside of E1U Life in just a little over a couple months, okay? Now, E1U Life, if you don't know, it used to be known as E1UP. So E1UP has been around for many years. It was an affiliate program, and then they've kind of changed owners, and now it's merged into E1U Life. It's somewhat similar, but they've added a lot of features, which I want to get into as well. So the first thing is once you log in to your back office, there's this left bar right here with all these different tabs. There's My Packages, where you'll actually be able to see all your different packages that you've joined. Okay, so what you want to understand is there's really two ways you can look at E1U Life. One is as a customer. Okay, you can actually purchase one of these levels, okay, and whatever level you join, you unlock that level and all the levels under it. You know, that's another main reason to get started at the highest level you can. And what happens is you don't just get video training at that level, okay, which I'll share in a second, the video training, which is very good, but you also unlock all these other things based on what level. So E1U Life has things like opt-in pages, social media pack that you can get to help promote, email templates. Okay, so you can see at the Vertex Live level, it's a $2,500 investment. $2,000 goes to the affiliate marketer you join through. $500 is a one-time admin fee that goes to the E1U Life creator. And you can see at the highest level, you get access to all this stuff, okay? You get access to a funnel creator. So, you know, maybe you've gone out there and you've tried to purchase, you know, ClickFunnels or lead pages. This actually gives you that at the Vertex Live level. Built for you websites. So you can actually message them if you're at this level and tell them, hey, I want a website created around, you know, my name or around this thing. And they'll actually create a very, very good website for you. So this is where you can see, this is where you can also upgrade and purchase different packages. Okay, the new users start here. This is great because it gives you a 30-day blueprint. So each of these videos gives you the information you need to really promote this program. It says, you know your products right here, maximize the compensation plan. So in this video, you can learn more about how the compensation plan works, levels of income generation. Okay, so there's all this cool stuff that helps you hit the ground running and you never feel stranded. The virtual training center, okay, this is more training on, you know, the blueprint right there, webinar replays. So they're constantly doing, you know, webinars, as you can see right here, you know, and you can really learn a lot about how to market this successfully. Now, when you go to My Account, you'll see transaction history, where you will start seeing your sales coming in, My Payment options. So I want to touch on this real quick because this is one of the main reasons that I really love E1U Life, other than the incredible value and community they have. One thing I love is the compensation plan. What happens with E1U Life is you literally get paid instant 100% commissions, okay? So when you go to this My Payment Options tab, you can actually choose how you want to get paid, okay? And you can actually get paid instantly. So a lot of these affiliate programs, if you go there and promote things like ClickBank or JVZoo, you have to wait 2 weeks up to a month for you to receive the money that you've done the work to make. With E1U Life, when you make a sale, when you make a referral, you get that money right away, okay? Another amazing thing, it's 100% commissions. So when you make a sale, I told you earlier that, $500 or, $100 with a Vertex Pro or $50, okay? So it changes based on the level. There's an admin fee. So that goes to the company. The $500 goes to the company owner. We keep the $2,000 100% commission as our own, and we get that instantly, okay? And another thing people love about E1U Life is it's high ticket. If you've tried to promote an affiliate program in the past and you've made, let's say, $100 commission, congratulations, that's great. But how many of those are you going to need to hit your income goal? If you have an income goal of $10,000 a month and you only make $100 per sale, that's 100 sales a month. But if you join the Vertex Live level, which is the most popular, and you make, a $2,000 commission, right? You only need 5 of those a month to hit $10,000 a month. And it's the same work. A lot of people think it's harder to promote a higher ticket product. It's the same work. It's just you're going to get paid a lot more. Now, Marketing Hub, okay, they have an autoresponder where you can set up emails that will start following up with your leads. Also, okay, they have my links. So if you go to the dashboard, underneath your stats, where you'll see how much you've made, they have a section where it's my links. Now, this is where you're going to find a done-for-you funnel. So they have 5 different opt-in pages you can leverage to start promoting this. Okay, so you can see this is a very professional looking capture page. Now, if you've ever seen any of my trainings online with affiliate marketing, I always tell people you want to send traffic directly to a capture page first, then the sales page, so you can follow up through emails. And they give you a done-for-you funnel. Okay, so you can choose which of these. Now, you would just take your link here, save this in a notepad file, okay, like this, and then you would just send as much high-quality traffic as you can. Now, again, the training videos at the different levels, which I'll share in just a second, are going to teach you traffic methods. But I've also put together a bonus package, okay? So they have the video sales page here. Now, I want to share with you 2 things before I go, okay? Number 1, I want to share with you how to actually find your video training. And then I want to share with you an overview of some of the bonuses I've put together when you actually partner with me at that Vertex Live level, okay? So if you go to My Products, whatever level you join, you'll see that video training. But I'm going to go to the Vertex Live just for example. You click there and they have all these different videos, okay? So persistence, you can click there and it's an 11-minute video. They have a reseller super system workshop week 3, okay? So you play that and it's a full training and they have it on every single level you join. So you're never stranded. You're never left not knowing what to do, okay? Now, on top of that, what I want to share with you is that I've put together, okay, some amazing bonuses. Now, real quick, you can see some testimonials. I'm going to have this page directly below this video. When you go to this video, you'll be able to look over my page, okay, where I share all the bonuses and testimonials. But I'll just give a quick overview because, again, you can go to this page and read it more in depth, the bonuses you'll get. But for example, you're going to be able to get my Instagram marketing secrets, okay? So like I said, I've been online for the last 6 years or so. I've been teaching people how to make daily affiliate commissions. And I share with you Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and right here, Facebook, okay? Free traffic strategies that I've never revealed before. Step-by-step video training on how to get traffic for free on those social media platforms. So you can use that training and start to send people to your funnel. Right here, 7 of my best lead generation social media posts. So just copy and paste these posts on your social media. You'll start to get interested people reaching out to you, and then you just send them your link. And then the system inside of E1U Life will start to do all the work for you, okay? And much more. Again, you're going to be able to check it out. Even this, okay, which is blowing people away, a 3-day Miami vacation stay. So when you partner with me today, through the link below at the Vertex Live level, you're going to get access to a 3-night free Miami vacation stay. in a luxurious hotel, okay? Because I really want to reward action takers. So again, I hope you got value. If you're watching this on YouTube, you have any questions about E1U Life, be sure to comment it under this video. I'll answer it. Also, go to the links. Get started, my friend. I highly recommend this affiliate program. You get paid instant, up to $2,000 commissions. I've never really seen that in other programs, and I really think you're going to love it. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.